Okay, I changed the wires, put the distributor cap on and the rotor inside, and I started it up, and at first I thought it did a little bit of weird stuff, like 1 or 2 times, but then it stopped. Can't explain that, and now it seems to be idling normal. So I think as of right now I can say that was maybe not the only issue, but a key factor in it just running terrible. I mean, it just didn't want to idle. It idled, but it did not sound good at all. I mean, it sounded like it was skipping left and right, and now it's not. So I think we're gonna go get a load of firewood and see how it goes. But I would say that was a huge factor. Okay, that would be awesome if that was it. And it does look like that was the factor. I have thought of one other thing. I noticed on wet days it was worse. So I think what I'm going to do later on today, when I get to, I don't have my dielectric grease with me. I think I'm going to pull the 2 screws, pull the cap off, and put a thin film around the edge and put the cap back on, because I've been worried that moisture's getting in there, and that could cause issues, I think, if moisture's getting in there. So I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but right now it's running good. So let's see what it does.